Y/A/O residence is an architectural experiment that reflects complete creative freedom. The project began with a surprisingly simple request from the homeowners. They gave the architect total freedom to design this house as if it were their own dream home. This freedom became the foundation for Octane Architect and Design to explore a new architectural language, one that's typically reserved for commercial buildings. But this time, the approach was fully adapted, from the building structure to its interior elements. This is where we begin our tour of Y/A/O residence with Unit 2. The architectural style at play here centers on the use of slanted intersections between walls and ceilings, an oblique form rarely used in interior spaces. Normally, this kind of angle is only seen on building facades for visual effect. But in this project, the slanted forms aren't just decorative. They're fully integrated into the layout, structure, and functional spaces. The result is a home with dynamic geometry that still serves practical needs. At the heart of the house is an open-air courtyard that plays a vital role, both functionally and aesthetically. The roof is designed to direct rainwater into the center of this courtyard, creating a natural waterfall effect. Sunlight flows freely into the surrounding rooms, reinforcing the home's connection to nature. The sloped walls and roof guide both the eye and movement toward this central space, making the courtyard the beating heart of the entire experience. The first space visitors encounter is the garage, but this isn't your typical parking area. It's designed as a dramatic transitional corridor. Mirrors installed on both sides of the garage create an illusion of endless space. This immersive reflection offers a symbolic transition from the public exterior to the private interior world of the home. From certain angles, the slanted walls perfectly frame the house, introducing the architecture in a cinematic way. The guest pavilion sits separately from the main house and was designed with a strong emphasis on open space connection. It features 2 guest bedrooms, a fitness room, and a terrace, all linked by a small garden filled with gravel and Cape jasmine plants, forming a visual focal point. The main rooms, like the bedrooms and gym, face north toward the pool and open yard, while utility areas like bathrooms and changing rooms are placed on the southern side to block the harsh afternoon sun. Stepping into the main house on the first floor, we find a long, open-plan layout combining the living room, dining area, and kitchen, all within a 6x12-meter space. A massive 8-meter-long accordion glass door opens directly into the garden, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. With the house aligned along the north-south axis, natural ventilation works effectively, reducing the need for air conditioning and supporting a comfortable microclimate. In this area, the ceiling exposes H-beam steel structures and C-channel frames, embracing an honest, industrial aesthetic. Ceiling panels are used sparingly, just enough to cover electrical wiring and concrete formwork, without hiding the raw structural character. This design approach celebrates material honesty and shows that exposed elements can still be beautiful. Moving upstairs, the use of the angled architectural language becomes even more apparent. Here, the courtyard serves as the center around which 4 main spaces are arranged: the master bedroom, a dry bathroom area, a walk-in closet, and a private terrace. Every space features slanted walls, floors, and ceilings that lead visually and spatially toward the courtyard. This creates a highly intentional and distinct atmosphere. The master bedroom is designed to shift spatial experience as you move through it. The front section of the room has a high, wide ceiling, ideal for lounging or reading. As you move inward, the ceiling lowers and narrows, creating a more intimate atmosphere perfect for resting. The angled walls naturally direct your gaze toward the courtyard behind the bed, enhancing the sense of depth and visual calm. The dry area of the master bathroom is just as compelling. One side features a bathtub facing the inner garden, allowing you to relax while enjoying a serene view of nature. For privacy, a roller blind is available near the balcony. On the other side, a long vanity with a large mirror provides space for daily routines and personal items. The mirror not only visually expands the space but also reflects everyday activities in full, adding another layer to the room's experience. At Y/A/O residence, function and aesthetics aren't treated as separate concerns. They're unified into one holistic design system. Every element, from the structural layout to the spatial arrangement, is guided by logic and purpose. Nothing is placed randomly. Even the slanted walls and ceilings aren't just stylistic choices. They shape the home's orientation, lighting, and spatial experience. Y/A/O residence is a clear example of how architecture can become a medium for exploration, not just a place to live. This home challenges the idea that beauty has to come from symmetry or traditional shapes. Instead, it shows that bold responses to space using unconventional geometry can lead to richer, deeper, and more personal living experiences. If you're looking for design ideas that blend concept, structure, and spatial experience, this project is a powerful source of inspiration. If you enjoy home breakdowns like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you in the next episode only on Unit 2.